Here we go. Donk of the year. But this what everybody been talking about. Streets with motherfucking talking. Donk of the year. And the key goes to But this what everybody been talking about. Streets been motherfucking talking. Donk of the year. the key goes to Stevie, I95 Motorsports. Long live Vito, no shake for life. The winners, let's go. Tweet what it do. DJ Greg Street, much love, baby. Where your car at, nigga? Salute, congratulations. All of you. That line do. Go ball. The winners. The winners.
Here we go. We're gonna get to the rest of the class winners.
Couldn't take it off? No. Fuck it. We up. We live.
We're opening the gate so that all the winners can come through. If security, if we open the gate,
She deserved that.
so they come collect their rewards. So if your name's called or your number's called, go right over here. Right there. He's gonna let you in.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's awesome, bro. Look at that.
That shit on now.
All right, if you're called for first, you're gonna go right over here. If you're for second, you're coming right over here. Get a picture.
Take a picture of them together.
The biggest boss.
Here we go, we're gonna go.
Why are you always behind the camera?
Curly, 114, first place, big wheel bagger.
You guys got that shit giant.
Good seeing you again. Yes, sir.
Moving to the trike, the motorcycle, second place. Entry number 56.
I'm a senior.
5-6, second place. And first place trike, 115. 116.
Got over a lot. We brought it back to Dade County, man. 305. Shout out to my wife and my two
Here we go,
daughters,
here
man.
comes our first guy.
And the biggest.
I'll get you. Hey, check out the bell box.
Performance motorcycle, second place. 263. 263, second place. And first
Backyard in the big house. Say less. Fucking wood ceiling. Say less. We ain't gonna be living.
So let the people know who you is while we get out of here.
Steve
Urquhart is still the real Steve.
Steve Hadley Construction Group.
There you go.
Construction company.
There you go.
Originally from Opelika, Miami, Florida. Born in Houston. My wife and my daughter. Shout out to Jessica, Summer, Savannah, in the trunk. Love. I wish y'all were here. Yeah.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it first.
Watching a master at work.